Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Jeep Wrangler wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the ignition is off. Knowing the correct blade size for your specific Wrangler model is also important before you begin this simple task. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick replacement process. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be careful not to let it snap back. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab, then slide the old blade straight off the arm. Repeat this for both front wipers. With the old blade removed, it's time for the new one. Align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Take care to avoid any sudden drops. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Turn on your Jeep's wipers to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively. Look for any streaks or missed areas, which could indicate an improper installation. For optimal visibility, it's a good idea to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on your driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.